Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have an exciting showdown lined up for you. We're diving deep into the world of robot vacuums to answer the million-dollar question, which robot vacuum reigns supreme? Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a busy professional, or just someone who hates vacuuming, this video is for you. Now, robot vacuums have come a long way from their early days. They're smarter, more efficient, and packed with features that make our lives easier. But with so many options on the market, it can be overwhelming to choose the right one. That's why I've done the homework for you. We'll be comparing the top contenders to see which one stands out in terms of performance, features, and value for money. If you're a tech enthusiast like me, you know how important it is to get the best bang for your buck. We all want a device that not only performs well, but also offers great value. So let's break down the top contenders and see which one is worth your hard-earned money. We've got a diverse lineup today, featuring some of the most popular and highly rated robot vacuums on the market. From high-end models with all the bells and whistles to budget-friendly options that still pack a punch, we've got something for everyone. First up, we've got the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra. This bad boy is a powerhouse in the world of robot vacuums. It uses LiDAR-based navigation for pinpoint accuracy, ensuring it covers every inch of your floor. Plus, it offers self-emptying and self-washing features, which means less maintenance for you. And let's not forget its impressive 6,000 pascals suction power, making it one of the most powerful robot vacuums out there. But, like all good things, it comes with a few downsides. It's a bit pricey, and let's be real, it's kinda loud. If you're sensitive to noise, this might be a deal breaker for you. Next, we have the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. This model strikes a balance between performance and price. With precision AI navigation and a self-emptying base, it's a solid middle ground option. It navigates your home with ease and empties itself, saving you time and effort. However, it's less powerful at 2,500 pascals and has some app connectivity issues. If you rely heavily on app control, this could be a bit frustrating. Then there's the Ecovacs Deebot X1 Omni. This all-in-one marvel is designed to make your life as hands-free as possible. It empties, washes, and dries itself, which is a huge plus for those who want minimal interaction with their robot vacuum. Now, at 5,000 pascals, it offers powerful cleaning, ensuring your floors are spotless. But be ready to shell out some serious cash and clear space for its giant docking station. It's not the most compact option out there, so make sure you have the room for it. For a more budget-friendly pick, check out the Eufy RoboVac X8 Hybrid. This model is perfect for those who want a reliable robot vacuum without breaking the bank. Dual turbines deliver 4,000 pascal suction, and its slim design is perfect for tight spaces. It's great for apartments or homes with lots of furniture. The downside? No self-emptying feature and basic mopping capabilities. You'll have to empty it manually, and its mopping feature isn't as advanced as some of the higher-end models. Finally, we have the Neato D10 Intelligent Robot Vacuum. This model is unique with its D-shaped design, which is perfect for cleaning corners and edges. It also features HEPA filtration, making it a win for allergy sufferers. If you have pets or suffer from allergies, this could be a game-changer for you, but it's slower and lacks mopping, which could be a deal-breaker for some. If speed and mopping capabilities are important to you, you might want to consider other options. All right, let's sum it up. We've looked at some of the best robot vacuums on the market, each with its own set of strengths and weaknesses. If you want the best of the best and don't mind splurging, go for the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra. Its powerful suction and advanced features make it a top contender. Need something budget-friendly but efficient? The Eufy RoboVac X8 Hybrid is your guy. It offers great performance at a fraction of the cost. For hands-free convenience, the Shark AI Ultra and Ecovacs Deebot X1 Omni are solid picks. They offer self-emptying and self-cleaning features, making them perfect for those who want minimal maintenance. So, which one's your favorite? Each of these robot vacuums has something unique to offer, so it really comes down to your personal needs and budget. Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences with these or any other robot vacuums you've tried. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech reviews. Your support helps me bring you more in-depth reviews and comparisons. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next one. Stay tuned for more tech insights and reviews.